Hello students, this video is for class 8 crop production and management part 4. In this part we will discuss one equipment, seed drill and second manure and fertilizer. In previous part we learned sowing, that we have all learned, but how do we do that, means how sowing is done. That can be done manually, means by taking some seeds in hand. We can take some seeds in hand and then we can scatter in field like this. Okay, but to do that, to do sowing systematically or in a organized manner, we can use a simple equipment, seed drill, which is driven by a tractor. Like one day in preparation of soil, we have seen a cultivator is drawn by tractor to plow the field. In the same way, for sowing, this seed drill is an equipment driven by tractor. Actually, sowing can be done by manually, but in case of manually, the distance between the seeds is not uniform. Somewhere they are little far apart from each other and somewhere they are very close to each other. So that should not be there. They must be at uniform distances, means at fixed distances like this. The distance between them should be same. So seed drill is used for well organized sowing in field. Now let's know the advantages of seed drill. Just imagine if you are asked to sow seeds in a huge area, what will happen? You will be sowing seeds for a long period of time and you will get tired. But just by using seed drill, it will save our labor and also time. Not only labor and time, it also maintain uniform distance between the seeds. Like this is what a seed drill. So there are some tube like structure which put seeds into soil in uniform way. So this seed drill maintain uniform distance between the seeds. Not only that, it also saves from birds. Actually, when we do it manually, some of the seeds remains on the surface of the field, that is eaten by birds. But when we do it with seed drill, some soil particles are kept on seeds. So this is how it saves from birds. So advantages are, it saves labor and time, it maintains distance, uniform distance between the seeds, and it saves from birds. Once again I want to clear this thing, why this uniform distance is needed between the seeds. Let us suppose these are two seeds and they are very close to each other. Okay, when they will grown up, some plants will come, then after they will fight with each other for the nutrients. Let us suppose there is 1 gram of nitrogen. Now they will fight for each other. Okay, now let us suppose they are little far apart from each other. When they will grow up, in this case they will not fight for the nutrient. Okay, that's why I am telling this uniform distance has to be maintained between the seeds. So now sowing topic is over. Seed drill is an equipment to sow seed in the field. Now let's begin another important practice of agriculture, that is manuring. So manuring is the addition of manure and fertilizer to increase crop yield. की पैदावार को बढ़ाने के लिए हम लोग मैन्योर या फिर फर्टिलाइज़र डालते हैं, दैट इज़ द प्रोसेस ऑफ मैन्योरिंग। मीन्स दिस प्रोसेस इंक्रीज द क्रॉप यील्ड, पैदावार को बढ़ा देता है। दैट मीन्स वी कैन ग्रो क्रॉप्स even without manure and fertilizer also. But what will happen if we are able to produce 200 kg wheat with manure and fertilizer? Okay, so if we don't use manure and fertilizer, we will be able to produce only 100 kg of wheat. So this is what the advantage of manure and fertilizer. It increase the crop yield. Okay, and let's discuss why it is needed. जरूरी क्यों है? Why to increase crop yield? As we know, the land area is remains same year after year. Land area, like we are in India. So this is the land area of India. Sorry, the map is not very clear, but you can understand. This is the land area of India. So it is not increasing. ऐसा नहीं है कि ये इधर इतना बढ़ जा रहा है, इतना बढ़ जा रहा है, ऐसा नहीं है. Okay, but what about population? That is increasing year by year. So in the same area, we have to increase our crop just to meet the रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन. मतलब हमारे पास खेत उतने ही हैं, लेकिन हमारी पॉपुलेशन बढ़ती जा रही है, तो सबको खाना देने के लिए हमको अपने क्रॉप यील्ड को बढ़ाना होगा, पैदावार को बढ़ाना होगा. देन ओनली वी विल बी एबल टू प्रोवाइड फूड टू एवरीवन. सो नाउ इट इज वेरी क्लियर, मैन्योरिंग is an important practice of adding manure and fertilizer to increase crop yield. But what is actually manure? So it is organic matter used as fertilizer in agriculture. ये एक ऑर्गेनिक मैटर होता है. एंड नाउ इसको बनाते कैसे हैं? सो इट इज मेड by using dead and decaying things, cow dung, plant residue, मीन्स प्लांट के जो बचे हुए चीज़ें होती हैं, जैसे प्लांट कोई गिर गया, उसकी पत्तियाँ गिर गई हैं, तो दीज थिंग्स आर यूज्ड. मीन्स ऑल नेचुरल थिंग्स आर यूज्ड टू मेक मैन्योर. when they are rotten, they are allowed to decomposed with the help of microorganism. Then they are converted into manure, which we spread in our field to increase our soil fertility. Okay, and that add a lot of nutrient. One important thing that I want to tell you, manure add humus to our field. Manure is the only thing which add humus to in field, or simply humus to field. Actually, let us suppose this is what leaves. Okay, when it rot, जब ये सड़ता है तो ये ब्लैक कलर का डार्क कलर में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है, विच इज नोन एज ह्यूमस. तो whenever anything gets rotten, that converts into humus, and humus is very important thing for our crop. Now another similar thing, fertilizer. It's also like manure, but it is a natural thing and it's a artificial thing. And manure is a organic thing, it's a inorganic matter, and it's provide essential nutrients to crop, mostly NPK and S. N is nitrogen, P for phosphorus, and K for potassium, and S for sulfur. These are very essential nutrients for the crop, and they are provided to crop by fertilizers. So now at last, what is actually manure and fertilizer? So you can say it's a food for food for plants. Like in our growing age, we need some nutrients, protein, carbohydrates, minerals, fats for proper growth. So in the same way, crop also requires some essential nutrients, and those are manure and fertilizer. So you can simply say these are food for the plants. They enhance the crop yield. Okay, now at the same time I want to tell you advantage of manure. Like manure and fertilizer both gives nutrient to the plant, but what are the advantages of manure that I want to discuss? Actually, manure enhances water holding capacity, means water retain on in that for long period of time. Okay, and it makes soil porous, बिल्कुल भुरभुरा सा बना देता है, so that roots of the crop can penetrate deep inside the soil and they can easily breathe in the soil. Means this manure makes our soil porous, and it also increase number of friendly microbes. Like there are some friendly microbes, rhizobium bacteria, some fungi, and they actually convert some organic things into inorganic things, and that are used by plant. So these microbes are also necessary, so that is increased by manure. So these are the some advantages of manure. Now if we want to differentiate manure and fertilizer, we can differentiate them like this. Manure, it's a natural substance obtained by decomposition of cattle dung and plant residue. And this fertilizer, it is man-made inorganic salt. Second difference, it can be prepared in the fields, and this it is prepared in factories. Manure provides humus to soil, but this fertilizer does not provide any humus to soil. And this manure is relatively less rich in plant, means इसमें NPK means नाइट्रोजन फास्फोरस पोटेशियम का अमाउंट कम होता है, but this fertilizer it is very rich in plant nutrient. Now at last let's discuss homework. This you have to do. You have to define and learn manuring, manure, fertilizer. Second question, you have to learn and write difference between manure and fertilizer. Third question, what is seed drill and how is it used? Now fourth question, what are the advantages of manure? Thank you.